Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to be doing the drawing. This is my second take. I couldn't figure out how to work this number generator thing. I'm sitting here punching my finger on my computer and it isn't doing a darn thing. Come to find out, I had to click it with the mouse. So, oh well. Here we go. So there were 69 names. I'm going to show you the names so you can see who you are, where you're at. As soon as it came in on my phone, I went ahead and I wrote it down. Okay, so you know you're down there. Alrighty, like I said, 69 of them. So I got the number generator up here on my computer, my laptop, and I start out at 1 to 69. I'm going to turn around here and I'm going to show it to you so you can see what I'm talking about. And then I'll click on it and then we'll have our winner, okay? Alrighty, here's what it looks like. And I'm getting ready to push the mouse down. And I know that I've done it a couple times and it hasn't even moved at all. So I guess I'm not putting enough pressure on the mouse to get it to move. So I'm going to hold my finger down a little bit. So here we go. And good luck to all 69 of you. Hope you like it, whoever wins it. If you don't like it, give it away. That's what I always say. If you don't like something, just be appreciative and give it to somebody else. Pass it along. Here we go. Let me make sure it moves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. It's not even moving. There we go. Okay. Number 61, Colleen York. That is the winner. Send me your name and in a email to KathysKuteKreations. Give me your, not your name, I'm sorry. Give me your address so that I can send it out to you. So like I said, I'm going to send it out on Friday. I got the fabric is coming in the mail tomorrow that I'm making your little gift out of, that I made a comment. I'm making a little something for you. I'm not telling anybody what it is. It's just for you. If you've got a YouTube or something like that, or you got Facebook, or you can go ahead and show it if you want. All right. So that's it. Number 61, which is Colleen York. I guess that's how you pronounce your name. Some people call it Colleen. I come from the South, so it's Colleen, not Colleen or whatever. So hopefully I haven't messed up your name too bad there. So let me get this up so y'all can find out who the winner is. And thank you very much for watching. I'm going to turn this around a little bit. Alrighty, if you've never joined in, this would be the time to join in to do this little quilt along. And I want to thank you for joining me. Congratulations again to number, whoop, here you go. In case you saw your number, Colleen, number 61. Colleen, however you pronounce it. So go ahead, like I said, email me and I'll get this sent out Friday. All right, take care, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.